What's up YouTube? Hope you're having a great week so far. CornishRatBeard here, bringing you another mini tutorial for beginners. This time we're going to be focusing on creating and maintaining our fleets. Now, fleets can be a little confusing for new players, so let's see if I can clear up a few things and make it a little easier for you and your playthroughs. When you first start a new game, you will be given a small fleet, usually named the first fleet. So while we are here, I do want to tell you that you can in fact change the name of your fleets by clicking here and changing its current name to anything you like. You will also notice it's without a leader. If you want to add one, just click here. Then find the leader that suits you. Sometimes you will even spawn a heroic leader such as Picard or Captain Kirk, who can also lead your fleet. Whoever you go with though, do note it will cost a small amount of energy, so bear that in mind for the early game. Next, I would like to talk about the fleet stances. First up, attack target. Enabling this option will cause your fleet to attack anyone, which includes neutral targets. This will also make those ships hostile towards us. The orbital bombardment button is used when in orbit of a planet you're at war with. Use this to soften up the planet's defences so your troops may storm it easier with less casualties. Finally, the stance button. If left on passive, your fleet will not engage the enemy unless you command it to. If checked aggressive, it will automatically engage hostile enemies if they enter the same system as your fleet. I generally like to leave this one checked to aggressive. Now, to add more ships to your fleet, the easiest way to do this is to enter your Fleet Manager tab found here. Click onto the fleet you want to edit here. You will see what is currently in your fleet via a list right here. Now take note of your command limit. This has a limit to stop you adding unlimited ships to one fleet. It wants you to make multiple fleets basically. If you want different ships added to your fleet, then click Add Ship Designs to Fleet. As your technology advances, you will get more ships to choose from. Note, the more expensive and advanced the ship, the more command limit it will cost you. I will demonstrate this now by adding some more frigates to the fleet. See, as I add them, the limit gets less and less, so that's how that works. Now that you have added the ships you want to be built, it's time to build them. If you have enough resources, you could go ahead and click this button here, the Reinforce Fleet button. This will build your ships and automatically commission them to your designated fleet. Or, if you don't have the resources just yet, don't worry, just leave this screen, and when you're ready, find your fleet here and click this Reinforce button and it will do the same thing. Now, if you would like to create your own fleet, then go ahead and push Create New, located here. Click the Add Ship Design to Fleet button, then choose the design you want in your new fleet. After that is done, add the desired amount. As long as you are within your command limit, all will be good. If you want a fleet gone, deleted, just click on the fleet in question and use this disband button located here. Perfect. So if for some reason you have some stray ships that you wanted in a specific fleet, then highlight both the fleet and your stray ship over here in this column and use this merge button to join them into the one fleet. Note, this can only be done if it is still within the command limit when merging. If you would like to split a fleet or move some to another fleet, then use the Transfer Ships button. Click on the ships you want moved from this fleet and it will remove them for you. As you progress through the technology trees, you will unlock more weapons, shields and components for your ships. If you want a fast way to apply those upgrades, then go ahead and push the Upgrade Fleet button every time you see it lit up. So another handy button is the Repair Fleet button. If you're in the vicinity of a starbase, it will automatically start repairing your ships, but if not, go ahead and click this button and the fleet will travel to the nearest starbase that can accommodate repairs. So one of the last things I want to talk about is the Disband button. So you use this when you invent new ship designs and you need the command limit. So just go ahead and disband when you feel they are not up to scratch anymore, which will make room for your new shiny ships. Well guys, that should get you going, and I hope it helped you out. If it did, please give it a like and maybe consider subscribing for some more Star Trek New Horizons content. If you are in need of more tutorials, then please do check out my channel for more of those. Okay, so thanks for watching guys, take care, and bye bye for now.